Hi there, this is Tony DeLisi at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. I'm the guy that left you the valuation report on your home. I hope you enjoyed it. And today I thought I would send you this video to talk about something you may not have considered, and that would be living in a one-floor home. Now, I'm not asking you to move. I just wanted to tell you about this, okay? Um, you probably haven't noticed this, but I'm a senior, I like to say, which means I'm a lot older than average seniors. I'm 77 now and looks like I'm going to live a really long time. And I live in a one-floor home, and I recommend it for people like yourselves. And the reason is that, like when I was younger, I didn't mind the stairs in my two-floor home, which I lived in at the time. But as I got older, it got harder and harder to go up the stairs because of my heart, because of my rheumatism. I say I'm healthy, but if you ever read my medical file, you'd feel sorry for me. But I'm having a good time anyway. So I was wondering if you would consider moving to a one-floor home. At least think about it. And I think as you get older, most of us get some kind of arthritis. If you get your knee replaced or your hip replaced, you'll be glad you're living in a one-floor home during your recovery. So I'd like to meet with you and show you how much cash you could be getting out of the home you live in now, and how much one-floor homes are selling for in the area you might want to live in. So I'd like to come by. I won't take a long time. It's only as long as you want it to be. But I'll get to see the inside of your home, which will give me a chance to know exactly what your home is worth. And I hope that you will consider a one-floor home. If you would, I hope you will use the buttons here to email me or text me or phone me. I'd be very glad to speak to you. Remember, I'm the senior. I've been through being a senior, and I'm now a senior. So thanks for watching. I hope to hear from you soon.